Hey guys, it's me, your girl Deka. I'm so sorry I haven't been uploading for a while now. I was going through some personal stuff, but I'm going to do a video on that soon, and I'm really sorry for the break in transmission. Thanks to everyone that was so kind to send me messages to check up on me, fam. I'm really thankful, and I'm back, guys. The kind mama is back. Love you guys for watching, and yes, I went for a wedding, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Bye. So this is Sunday afternoon / evening. I and the kids are on our way to the salon. Jina to the girls salon and Ife to the boys salon. I just washed Jina's hair this morning and I left it to dry. That's why it's like
so
this.
Jina's hair is now dry?
Yeah, it's dry.
Ma, can they comb it like this? It can be like this.
No.
Chilly.
I'm actually just warming my car and pumping my tire. Jina, you're exhausted.
Yeah, if I was always telling me I should do things. Like one time he told I should carry him and I almost fell on all. But I quickly wrapped around over and put them down. I said no more.
Alright, so yeah, that's what we're going to be. Okay, okay, talk.
And guys, I see my teeth. It's just wobbling. Mine is already loose. See? Is this already coming out too? I'm sure it's coming out. It's coming out too, very well.
Alright, bye guys. Guys, hi. So I and Hobby are on our way to Ibano to get some few things for Ife's party pack. Guys, it's late. Hobby came back and was really tired, so we have to go now. We're in a hurry, guys. Like, it's what I mean, it's after 7 and I have to be there so I can take my time, pick out things for the party pack. I've never done any birthday for them in school, so it's exciting, and I'm somehow nervous because I don't know what I will do. It's not half K leg. But bye guys, catch ya.
And tomorrow I'll give you a big thumbs up for watching the video. Thank you. And that's the end.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy.
So I got this top for Ife. I got this from Iban. I got this top for about 3.5, I think. It's supposed to be Polo Ralph, but guys, please, this is not Polo Ralph. Hobby wears Polo Ralph, and I know this is not original Polo Ralph, but it's okay because, guys, I don't know. See, I don't know if I'm the only one, but my kids, their clothes get really small, like fast, and that used to pain me in my heart. I won't even lie, it used to pain my blood. I'm kind of person I don't like my kids wearing oversized. I wore oversized in my life, like all of us. I think all of us did, or most of us did. When our parents buy us clothes that would last us for 10 years, I hated it, and I said I'm not going to do it with my kids. But guys, it's not easy, I won't even lie, because buying clothes that fit them, like no, this to annoy me. After like 2-3 months, see the clothes becoming small or becoming show belly. I don't even understand. So yeah, this one I got it. It's going to fit, and I love the color because I'm going to be wearing him with a camo trouser. He has the camo trouser already, so I'm going to be mixing it with it. And I got this for 3.5. Like, it's really nice, it really looks good, and at least in my eye, from what I'm seeing here, it will last a bit. Why is the belt here now? And then I also got this for Jina in case they said she can wear mufti. I got this for Jina. It's also, guys, okay, see now, this one is Polo Ralph or Abi. This is Ralph Lauren. I call it Polo Ralph anyways. So this is for Jina. This one is in size 11. The one I bought for Ife is in size 7, and it looks so nice, and I feel like it will last. I've already said that. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this 5 clip, or what if it to wear on this clothes. Guys, I know it's pink. I'm sorry, I had to buy pink because we couldn't find blue. Like, we even had to search and search. I was about to, my hubby was like, let's go, because we didn't see it. I said no, there's no way, let us be checking inside. That's how I got this one. So he has to manage pink like that. I read that in those days guys used to actually wear pink, girls used to wear blue. So then I got some things in this bag, and the first thing I got is the medicated, dusting powder. Most of us use this, and like, I know I used this when I was growing up. I got this for, I can't remember, the price is not here. Anyone I see the price, I'm going to tell you guys. And then I got this hair bond. Fam, for those of you that when you buy glue, those eyelash glue, it doesn't work. This works. You just have to be really careful with it. I've been using this for a while. Before I used to form and go and buy eyelash glue, they were selling 2K, 3K, and somehow, just see your girl. You see your girl behind me, and somehow it doesn't last. So yeah, I had to buy this one. I got this one for $8.50, and then I got this really cute water flax, right? I got this for water. Actually, I have the one I use for pap, which is blue, like this fine blue. So I got this one to be put in water because most times I need water. Like, Ola is 6 months already, and most times she needs water to, you know, when I want to make like Cerelac, all those kind of things, all those cereal things, I need hot water. So that's why I got this, and I got this for $3,250. And then I also got this Johnson's Skin Nourisher and cocoa butter lotion for Ola. We got this for $4,650. The last one I got it for almost 3,000 naira, 2,900 something. Fam, it didn't last. I don't understand, because like the other creams I used before that one, they lasted really long. I don't know if because Ola is getting older, but somehow that cream did not last, and it made me really upset. I won't even lie. So yeah, we have to get the bigger ones. Hopefully the bigger one, hopefully it works, like it lasts. It lasts. And I got this one, we got this one for $650. And then the next one are this, the next ones are this spoon. I got this really cute spoon. I think I got this for 80 naira or 85 naira. I'm not really sure. I got this for Ola, you know. My baby is getting older, she needs to be, you know, eating. And then I also got this what do they call this thing again? I don't know why I forget the name of this thing. Tweezers. This is the big size. I got this for $390. Guys, this one paid me. I won't even like, just that I needed it because I normally I have 3 tweezers. I can only find one. So when I went there, that one I used to buy 50 naira. Somehow they say they don't have it, and I need to have this one. Just let me just close eye and buy it. If not, this one pay me. not even be complaining to you guys, but it paid me. And then moving on, we have another bag. This one is mainly for Ola. So the first one is this toy pack. Lately Ola loves, we just noticed that Ola loves toys so much. I've never really been a toy person for my kids. I've never really been a thing person for my kids. I just really feel like I just have this thinking of not wasting money for kids. I call it wasting because sometimes I just feel like they outgrow these things or they spoil it, you know, which can be paining. Like it seems to pain me. I don't know why. Hey Jesus, let me know in the comment section if I'm the only one, please. Like guys, I'm not a bad mom, like I don't, but I just think it's annoying me when my kids spoil things or when they just don't use the thing anymore. I'll be like, sometimes I spend this money to buy, right? So I got this thing for Ola because she's been loving toys, and I got this, they call this set of rattle, and I got this for $3,990. Have the rattle, the fish thingy, you know. I just love that everything is inside. And then the next one is this travel feeding bowl and spoon set. This is what it looks like. We got this for 2,000 plus. I'm not really sure because the price is not yet, but I know we got this for about 2,000 plus. Let me open it and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, Ola eats a lot. I won't even lie. This bowl it's even looking like it's too small for her. I like the fact that the spoon thingy, like this place where you put your mouth, I like the fact that this thing can even hold it. Let me check if this spoon can work with it. This is really nice. Can work. It's loose. It cannot work. We noticed that this was the only reasonable plate size that at least can give Ola something that she will eat and be a bit full. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I wanted something that has cover because we need to be covering our baby's food. And then I also got this cup, this really cute cup. And I also love that it has this cover. I really like it, the sunflower shaped thing. And like I feel like because of this thing here, whatever you put inside, you can use this or the plate, anyone that works. For kids, you just have to have different options. And I love that this has this suction thing that seals it up, so it can help to keep something hot or cold. I don't know why Ola doesn't want to sleep, because this is already like 12, after 12. So the last thing that we got is this water bottle. Ola has started trying to hold her bottle whenever you feed her, so I decided to get this so that she can just hold it and drink. Ola is really strong, and Ola is really I don't know the proper word to use, but you know those kids that are very fast, that's how Ola is. So these are all the things we got, and yeah, these are all the things we got, nothing else. So yeah, hopefully I wake up early tomorrow. Guys, let me confess, since Friday, Monday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, today, have not ironed the kids' uniform, have not prepared anything. I don't know what is doing me. Like at this point, anything will happen, may happen. Hi guys, they go wear rumple uniform and no keep person. There's been light since morning. Did not look like when it's raining, and somehow, like at this point, I'm tired because let me sleep. I beg if I'll start blabbing. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow during the party. Okay guys, I forgot to show you guys. Allah is laughing. I forgot to show you guys this card we got for Ife. With love, son, have the best day ever. Because Ife is looking forward to this birthday. Like, he has been telling everybody that wants to listen about the birthday. And we also got cards for Jina and Ola to Ife. And he says, happy birthday to a wonderful brother with love, especially for you. I'm not going to be reading the middle part because I want Jina to read it for Ife. But this is what the cards look like. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Ife's birthday. The kids have gone to school, but Ife actually wore mufti, like he's going out clothes. So I and hubby and baby, we're actually on our way to lock. You can lock the door, close the door. So I and hubby and Ife, Ola are going to their school to celebrate with them. But first we have to go and pick the cake. Guys, we are really late. I don't know what they did to me. They do me juju. I do. Hi, good morning. They did me juju seriously. I don't know why I go for things late. Like I don't know how to do it. Please, I need help. How I can be planning better. Like somehow I know how to plan better, but somehow it doesn't just work out. So let me know, please, if there's something different I can be doing that will help me.
Your day.
Up ahead, we'll talk about birthday donations and an unhappy pastor. You can't make this stuff up. After 7:45.
Walking on fire, trying.
What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say?
Bye, Faye. See you soon.
Practice one of them. Well, let me practice. Which other ones do I have to do? Well, we're having public holiday, right?
They're Wednesday. You're having
Public holiday on Tuesday and Wednesdays and Fridays.
oh. You're having public holiday on. You're having midterm break on Wednesday to Friday.
Spend my Mondays like Fridays. I spend my Fridays in a box with my heart and my whining. I put my pinings on pedestals to the keeping them grounded. What's that mountain to nothing? Let's make something from nada. Let's go to Gucci and Prada. Set the buildings on fire. Screaming death to designer while we listen to ponder. I'm on a grown man, baby face, kind of a tantrum. Bitch, I'm spreading like cancer did. And my father